Good Friday morning to I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for October 10th, 2014, and we're going to have a frontal boundary that's going to be draped across our southern ports of our area today, and this is going to allow for plenty of clouds and some showers even for the southern third of our coverage area, I would say. And this is going to this is a look actually at the evening hours here, where the showers are just on the southern portion here. Here's your frontal boundary sitting down to the south here like this. So even though it's not going to be raining further to the north here, you're still going to be mostly cloudy up across these areas as well. So it's just going to be, and as further in New England, you're going to be just increasing clouds. But in this area, primarily, it's just going to be mostly cloudy. But the areas of the south we're going to be worried about, as far as, not worried, but we'll be watching for some of those showers to move in here. Here's a look at the NAM, and here's a look at 5 p.m. Just a few isolated showers, again, just for the southern areas at this point. And we go to the next frame here into the evening hours here. This is around 8 o'clock, 8, 9 o'clock. And you can see the showers moving across our area here. That's going to move a little bit further north in the overnight hours. So I do think areas further north are going to get into the action here across northeast PA, northern New Jersey, and actually basically all of New Jersey and Delaware as we go a little bit forward in time here. And it's going to envelop our entire coverage area here. It's going to go through the overnight hours, so call it periods of rain then for Friday night, and then it's going to end early Saturday. Here's a look at very early Saturday morning, and see how it quickly moves out of here. So Saturday's going to be one of those days that it's just definitely going to be, it's going to start off damp in the morning, and then it's going to, we're hoping for some clearing skies in the afternoon. We're not dealing with, any precipitation once you get past the early part of the morning hours. So this should get out of here pretty quickly, and then we should set up a nice day Sunday with high pressure moving in here. We're going to go back to the global models here a little bit further in time from this point. Here's a look at that system coming through overnight, and then by Saturday, here's our early Saturday morning. You see the precipitation is moving away at this point, and then we have improving conditions the rest of Saturday. So partial clearing will take place. Cool night Saturday night, and then Sunday, of course, high pressure is going to be sitting almost right over top of us. So we're going to have a partly sunny day here for most areas on Sunday. Now this front that's to the south here, it looks like it doesn't seem like much right now, is going to actually move further north here, move back north as a warm front. So this is a retrograding front coming back through as a warm front and bringing showers to the area here on Monday. So it's going to be cloudy for the most part across our coverage area here on Monday as well, with just those scattered showers. These are just light showers, nothing major, nothing heavy, but the warm front will move through. And then we're going to be watching this system here that's going to be moving off to our northwest here, and there's going to be a very pretty potent cold front that's associated with it that's going to be moving through, and there's some very heavy indications of some very heavy rain that's going to fall from this. Which of course will be much needed. We've been nickel and diamond here with the rain here, and a couple tenths of an inch here and there, and really hasn't done much to help out the rainfall deficit. But if this were to happen the way it's modeled currently on the global models, that we could get dealing with some heavy rainfall, maybe even some severe weather. I know it sounds a little strange here, but what we're dealing with, we're going to have a negatively tilted trough. And taking a look at that now, we have this is the system coming in later Tuesday, and the trough axis, it's a very deep trough here. Here's your trough axis is kind of going like this, so it's actually starting to tilt to the negative side here. Like, this is what we mean by negative tilt. So every time you have a negatively tilted trough, some really crazy things can happen, and I don't want to scare anybody here. We're not talking about anything too bad here, but we're talking about strong area low pressure moving up here in this direction, off to the east-northeast, and the associated frontal boundary has a lot of vorticity with it, so there's a lot of energy with this as it moves through. So it might be one of those deals where it comes through, brings heavy rain, might even have some gusty thunderstorms as they move through. It's going to be depending a lot on timing too, and it's very difficult to nail down the timing of this, exactly how it's going to play out, because we have a model disagreement of almost 24 hours between some of the global models right now. So we'll give the time frame anywhere from later Tuesday, could be as late as Tuesday night, or even Wednesday where this comes through. And models are definitely disagreeing. Hope I picked the wrong image here. Models are definitely disagreeing on the timing here, but this is actually this is a look at the Canadian right now. This is showing the overnight hours here, overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday. I know the European model is actually later in the day on Wednesday that it comes through, and the GFS is Tuesday evening. So we got a little bit of a spread with the models, so we'll hopefully narrow it down as we get a little bit closer as we get into next week. But look for the Tuesday, Wednesday time frame for that frontal boundary to come through. So we're not, in the meantime, just those couple systems here with the showers both tonight and then again as we get into your day on Monday with that warm front moving back through. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for October 10th, 2014. Have a great Friday.